Hey everyone, I just wanted to show a quick view of the DHX electric scooter, 750 watts I got from Walmart. I purchased it August 10th. I received it August 17th via FedEx. Of course, they had the tracking, which is great. FedEx dropped it at the door, so there's no signature required. Safe neighborhood, so it was okay. I took a picture when it first came out the box because, of course, just in case, electrical, I have to send it back. I want to make sure I received it non-damaged, which I did. It was perfect. Nothing wrong with it. No screws missing. I'll explain later that there's literally only 4 screws to put together for this bike, which I loved. This bike, I don't know the exact measurements, which I showed a picture earlier. I'm 5'2". The handlebar comes up to my chest. My husband's 6'7", so I'm hoping the both of us is able to use it. It's 10-inch wheels, which you're going to prefer to want because if you're over 200 pounds, you definitely want that weight distribution. It's pretty good as far as feet. You put 2 feet on. It's the app. I just downloaded it. I haven't tried the app yet, but I heard you can use it. You could hang, I guess there's something to hang right there. Easy power on and shows you how much battery that you have, which is great. The handlebars are easy to grab, especially I'm in Florida. It gets sweaty and hot out here, which is when we'll ride. So we'll have gloves on, but it's nice to know that there's a grip. The throttle, as far as going forward, is on your right side. The brakes is on your left. I ride a motorcycle, so that's the throttle. So it's pretty easy for me to adapt to where the throttle is. So I'm able to just go from motorcycle to electric scooter without any issues. Fortunately, I never rode an electric scooter before, so it was a slight learning curve. I had to look up that in order to get it going, I'm thinking you just pull the throttle and go. No, you actually got to push forward and get it going, and then the motor kicks in, and then you have the assist where it becomes an electric scooter. Easy to fold down, which we're good on space, but if we needed to put it in the car, you definitely hit that little clip at the bottom. It folds down, and then you get it ready to put in your car because you're heading out to a trail or wherever you need to be. Flashlight at night. And on the side, I left a sticker on. There's the app that you're going to download. And this is the box that it came in for FedEx. Pretty easy. All right, it's time to assemble, which is not even 5 minutes. Depends how good you are with an Allen wrench. It literally comes with a tiny Allen wrench. Hopefully you don't have big fingers. And 4 teeny tiny little screws. 2's going to go in the front. 2's going to go in the back. And that's it. You're done. You can start. It already comes fully charged. And you're ready to go. Please note, I thought it was a detachable, rechargeable battery. It is not. It is attached to the scooter. So you have to plug in the charger to, which it comes with a charger, plug in the charger to the actual entire electric scooter. So that was me just reading directions because I am one of the people that like to read a direction, but I scan it. I don't read. It's pretty self-explanatory. You lift it up. You clip the bottom, that's when you fold it to put in the car. You clip it at the bottom, and then you take the little styrofoams off, which was to protect it during shipping. Makes sense. Thumbs at the side. And at the top, you literally have one little black plug that you clip in. Can't miss it. You clip it in, and you stuff it down a little pipe, and then you put the pipe onto the mounty thing. I guess the steering wheel thing, column, whatever they call it. So you put it in, and when you put it in the front and the back, you will see literally 2 holes in the front, 2 holes in the back, exactly where my hand is. Those are where the screws are going. All right, I was a little tired and winded, so eventually I got it in. So once I got the teeny tiny screws, I put 2 in the front, wiggle, wiggle, 2 in the back. They kept falling out my hands because they are super slippery, like I said. But for the most part, if you're good at assembly, or even if you're not good at assembly, which I'm decent in assembly. I had my husband put everything together, but I was like, it's a gift for him. I can do this. So I knocked out the 2 screws in the front. The 1 screw at the top and the back was giving me issues. So guess who's putting that together after he gives his gift? My husband. So he will put that last screw in, but it's an Allen key type of screw. So just screw that in, and that's it. You are literally good to go from this point on. So after you put that together, you can literally go out the door and ride because, like I said, it is fully charged. And that's it. Voila. It's assembled. This is just a picture of it assembled. That's where you put your feet. That's where you stand on it. That's the front. It's the back wheel. 10-inch wheels. Pretty simple. Nice design. Even if you're in an apartment, you can fold it, put it to the side somewhere, or hang it on a wall. I think it's a great starter electric bike because this is me and my husband's first electric bike. You just press the button right there in the middle and it powers on. And at the bottom is the electric bars of how much electricity you have. 0, 0 means clearly I'm not moving. But if you were moving, it tells you how fast you're going. On the side is a sticker that you click for the app. So if you lose the book, that's all right. Leave that sticker on. Download the app and you can do a lot of fun stuff with it. I haven't tried it yet, but I will. I heard good things. Just showing you that right there is what you pull down and it folds to like put in the car. Or if you want to carry it, I brought a $15 or $10 strap from Amazon if I want to walk some and carry it. It's 14 pounds. Hopefully you can carry 14 pounds. If not, you need to do a couple of push-ups. But 14 pounds should not be a problem for an adult. So if it's a child, more than likely they may or may not. It has a kickstand, which is great. I didn't even know it had a kickstand. A minute ago I was showing you where you charge it. Like I said, is no detachable battery, which is fine. You got the disc brakes, which is in the front and the back. You shouldn't have any issues with them. I'm sure there's a YouTube video on if something happens or you need to fix it. I'm not mechanical, so clearly I'll be taking it to the shop or looking up other YouTube videos. But pretty simple. It was fast enough that my dog sat there. I guess I entertained him while trying to put this together. But like I said, not even 5 minutes. 4 screws is ready to go. If not, plug it in for a couple of hours. I personally wouldn't do it overnight because it's an electric bike. Just keep an eye on it. But other than that, ride safe. Hopefully with a helmet. If not, just ride safe.